Hello dear friends, hello dear viewers. I hope you all will be fine and enjoying my videos. Dear friends, dear viewers, uh, welcome to my YouTube channel Fantastic Lectures. In this video and this lecture video here I will discuss the types of the learning cycle. Here I will discuss the very amazing topic of here I will not discuss the types of the learning cycle, but I will discuss the learning theories and characteristic of adult learners. So before starting my lecture video, I kindly request you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel Fantastic Lectures and press the bell icon to receive my upcoming videos notification. So dear friends, dear viewers, at the end of this session, students will be able to define the adult learning, discuss adult learners characteristics with psychological, past experience, time, self-direction perspectives, identify the factor that influence the learning, explain the cognitive and affective aspects and learning theories. Basically, if we define the teaching, so teaching is the process of providing informations and skills or information, knowledge or skills to learner, trainees, and to by their own action which make them change their attitude and behavior. Facilitation is to guide participants through a process of discussion, reflection, and self-learning. Learning is the process in which changes occur in our skills and behavior as a result of the experience, while training, the process through which positive change is brought about in working capacity of a person. Andragogy the art and science of helping adults learn. Basically, adults are persons with a self-concept, self-directing and being responsible for their own lives. Adults are not content-centered, they are self-directed and problem-centered, and they need and want useful information and can be readily adopted. Adults need a climate that enables them to assume responsibility for their learning. The principles of adult learning are based on knowledge model learner. So, knowledge model learners accept the responsibility for collaborating and planning their experiences, adopt goals of learning experiences as their own goals, actively participate in the learning experience, pace their own learning, participate in monitoring their own progress. How to learn effectively? What I hear, I forget. What I see, I remember. What I do, I know. How to learn effectively? People do not learn everything that is taught. We learn only 20% of what we hear. We can use 40% of what we hear and see. We can use 80% of what we see, hear and experience. There are 6 main characteristics of adult learners according to Malcolm Knowles 1980-1984, who was one of the pioneers in this field. Adult learning is self-directed, autonomous, actively involved in the learning process, make choices relevant to their learning objectives, direct their learning goals when it comes to workload, proactive in making decisions and in contributing to the process. Adult Adult learner utilizes knowledge and life experience. Connect their past experience with their current knowledge base and activities. Educators need to be well versed in how to help students in drawing out relevant past knowledge and experience. In addition, educators must know how to relate the sum of learners' experience to the current learning experience. Adult learning is goal oriented. Adult learning is characterized as goal oriented, and intended learning outcomes should be clearly identified. Once the learning goals have been identified, it is now imminent to align the learning activities such that these objectives are fulfilled within a certain period of time. This approach is a great way to maximize a student's learning experience. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, fantastic lectures, and press the bell icon to receive my upcoming videos notification. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself and goodbye.